How to change your social security number on Cash App. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about whether it is possible to change your SSN on your Cash App. So now let's get started. First of all, what I want you to know is you cannot directly change the social security number on the Cash App account after it has been created because it is used to verify your identity. So here's what you can do. If you've entered the wrong SSN, you can contact the Cash App support immediately through the app. Explain the mistake. You may need to provide ID or create a new account. And if you need to use a different SSN, Cash App does not allow changing the SSN to someone else. You will need to create a new account with the correct SSN. And if you need to update other info, you can change your email, phone number, bank account, or debit card details in the app, but not your SSN. So remember that Cash App needs your SSN to follow US banking and anti-fraud laws. Using a fake SSN or trying to change identities can get your account permanently banned. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.